the moment, the only sensible thing to oppose is ED 2030. Azvipere mushe zalabira mashoko ari kuda panguva ine vanhu vachiva vachikomenda pamusoro penhau ye2030 zvinoratidza kuti people that are no longer interested, people that are no longer pushing and siding the vision 2030 not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Then Emmanuel Rambir achiti, as long as ED 2030 to 35 is in effect, nothing makes sense. If you form a political party, where will you vote? ED 2030 means that the constitution is suspended and the elections are not part of the agenda. So what will you be opposing at this stage? If ED 2030 goes ahead, you won't even be able to oppose corruption. If you can't oppose the issues now, it simply means that you are in accomplice to their existence in the future and you will have to put up with them. Tipinda ma comments manombranyira chiti. Funny enough, there are those in the non-existent ranks of opposition politics who still invest time and energy to prepare 2028 when it's clear that it's not happening unless we fight the 2030 nonsense. Lini Emmanuel Pindrachit, I wonder how they expect it to happen or who they expect to fight ED 2030 on their behalf. ZANU-PF managed to defocus the opposition leaders and parliamentarians either through providing them soft life, women or both. Hence, they are now irrelevant to our struggle, all of them. ZANU-PF don't give a toss how you put your ducks in a row, especially if they want to protect their loot. Domashko ari kuda panguva ine yansonwa kunzi vanhu panguva ine zviriitika mu the ruling party ZANU-PF nenyika yeZimbabwe at large, especially now yema-elections, vanyasorodza kuona kwakunzi zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka. This is Zvigananda. First of all, munofanira kuzviwisa. After mabvisa Zvigananda, makunyasoziva kuti you've protected and secured the constitution, even ma 2028 elections makuona kuti ari possible. Enda kuma-section medu dzemafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.